test le ani ngami phubal hamuin ngarang sinim khubin na lobjin shiki ani nganso sinim thumbai khewa khuwa yune lobcho khendom lobcho ngin sabki ani nganso science educational trip la jun da diang khal julana taradun la juris ani nganso phala tangshi nganso pha ju ga nganso khala junana regional science center la jun da ani di museum yu chimbu do science museum le dura ani di nanglo la nganso the model lana pa mangbudu ani ngase house to rang ani divide this mangbula chidura ani dinane nga ta ngarang ta yakshi kharo jik thongsana nganso ta technology khangla yu museum dang yu yak bu thongsra ani dinala nganso kharo dulana ani diru home automation logic the do yak bu dukasinna nganso ngarang so khaba gyuni ani nganso nang achi the function setting den so kangsa nganso khaba gyuni ani nganso jewa china pesina nganso tanda chuloni nang lese tani nganso nang nganso phone gyuni khaba gyuni nganso nang achi lockdown longori na kharina sama para dura endi du andi yak bu dura ani di chila so dingen de lang so la khatna himalaya tang indi the region la mangbo rani ti kha ti ya budu dinang la so chikdura step indi shana screen de closely dura ani ti ngarangi pe media thongsta andi ya budu andi chila ni sangi de lang so kha junna ani FRI la jun forest research institution la college de la jinda ani college de la khatuna kyundum museum was tu ani ngara museum na do joshi de khar chongsna timber museum de khachina timber museum la nga sura chala nyopu chinshu ina chimbu ina kharina chaza shingi sodura ani shingi so pe yakbo chikum mari ani pe ngin chuan thonggi du ani didura ani nga so chik phala khaduna nga so tongbo ajira park lagora chembo shidura yo chembo do didi khala nga so lo kazo lo dungya rigi kazo na jinging barilasta ani nga pha thongra ni ngarang o ta taga raksan chik sosra ani ta nga thula di koga ragwa dela nga thuche nainda ni diro chima ni tando koga mangbo rawe rewa yelo chula thuche.
I have learned about different types of plant and their uses, such as furniture and medicines, etc. Botanical Museum was showcase of the diversity of plants and species found in India and the world. Entomology Museum. In this museum, so many insects were collected, like butterflies, beetles, and ants. It was like a bug zoo. It displays the diversity of insects, including butterflies, moths, beetles, and ants. Forestry Museum. This museum was showcase of the history and development of forestry. It was showcase of the how forests are managed and protected, like big display of forest life and tools. I have learned about importance of forest, plants, and insects. Also, I learned that how their role in maintaining ecological balance and supporting human life, and how can we help to preserve them. Last but not the least, I would like to very thank to science and math teacher who came across this idea. The main motive of this idea was accelerate our interest in science and math subject, and I surely believe that this idea will work well in students like me who show less interest in this subject. And thank you.
Many ring the Deradun and science trip laboratory. I want to park the kingdom mini subject is now Timbai Kewa and Guadore and Dinana me took doing in order. I learned the technology that the Palamanga Cardulana came down Dendro Ridura and want to got a future lagare AI Dilin and want to got a Gargari Yarge Chere and Rotendura. Andines Kanzo Gare Science Kari Pala Chigartons Lananzo Gare start the Gana Gare Anzo Gangu Chambojik do Pana I want to Pananzo do Tango and Kudra and Palakaranzo Gondasune that Namla Tongue star Mangora star Yotama Tonsha star Ngombo Chiga Pala Timadango House Sendangombo Chixian I start chimba kare remove si the odro gana tensra ani dila jo FRI la do I'm pali kare ngajola kare gen kare gelani ora I'm mem gigalas na pal kare pala picture yang so las ngai tangbo de yiche masha anjela nang ta di kare padi khangba di kare British ki so da de oma dila British ki tiji ora British ki so ne pha do yor an phana ngajo da museum da de museum mang je kare singro wa jere dura anji kare nga observe yakhre garjin na trimber kare museum jigdo phadilang nala gare dulana the British nyamaya British inje kare singi kare suze ro da kare kubja eno niti table dinjo sesha dura ane tongsha anchi kare dongbon jo aji dongbon jo gagal re and map ten shadura and dijela anjo kare FIR ka phala par ro ge an tiji
Tasle ngai ming lamoin ani ngarang thinda kuwa nang da lobjong jong sini ani dungwen dawa lang zu lobjong ni thinda thumban ni kuwa balu lobjong ni sabgi las deradun la angzi dang chenik gi educational trip jikher jung ani dia ngimani ngazo phala tere ani dine ngazo thundu chuzu deradun la chuzu tangbo zamla jorsura ani di chela ngazo science aji center regional dila dore ani ngoni ngarang science la halwe khawira ani tandu science ngal chendi ngal mangbu shingdu tandu interest in are didi ai the increase shastra ni tandu changdu science ngal tandu lobjong changai na dizngala andi chela ngazo chuzu science dita sawada ani ngazo ti chi yama di science aji di Nikore na thangma tista ani next ngazo climbing town phemi changang la khare phemi sani songang la ani ngazo jidu ani phala ngazo changing nyare ra ani phala andi jidu ngazo gela sesang khrangi ngazo khala ina re nyalsa gi thadi dang changma halewe yakbu jidura ani ranging thabani ngazo lokru changma ngone thuji se line ra ani pe gau jung kela la thugne ani kelai rokba je dang kelayam du keje she dang di sang pe so shuk chum jig jing ra ani anzu phale du ani ngazo la igi lobjung chuk shinga mar lobjung ta shinga ya lobjung changa dur ani lobjung ma do ta tandu mangbu jig shinga so lobjung yam do thulam dang chulo la khandi de me dang ani lobjung balong la lobjung shinda mangbu shinga chambu me ne Zuyamdu chambu chairu da ani drangzuru ani sawa bya sing tuji
I think you all are aware and know that in the last week our 28 students from the class 7 to 9 were taken to one science visit to Dehradun. The science center was Regional Science Center, Dehradun, and the second was FRI, Forest Research Institute, Dehradun. So this idea was brought together collectively by all the members of science and maths committee. The objective behind this science visit was to enhance the student interest and curiosity and their innovative mind in the science and math subject. So fortunately we have successfully visited that Q center and I believe that this visit was very successful, helpful, enriching to every student, and I think they got to learn a lot of new things, new idea, new technology. So today, here we have 5 volunteer students who are going to share their thoughts, their experience, and their new learning from that visit.
Principal sir, kindly teachers, and my beautiful schoolmate. Now I'm standing here to share the experience at Regional Science Center. So let's begin. At 2:30 p.m., we reached Regional Science Center and we observed everything in there. That center was very big, and I noticed that all science models are nicely made, such as illusion wall model.
Today I'm standing here to express my feelings and experience about
Dehradun science visit. First of all, it was a big opportunity for me. I got to learn so many new things and ideas. We stayed for 2 days, and first day we explored Regional Science Center. We saw AI models and many more. Next day, having a healthy breakfast, we went to FRI, Forest Research Institution. It was very big. We explored 5 museums, and museums were like a classroom where you can have fun and you can have fun and learn at the same time. I saw many wood with fungus preserved there. Many timber products were preserved there, such as chair, furnitures, agriculture equipments. We have seen Deotar's tree, and it was 704 years old. And it was huge and big. Surprising, right? 704 years old. I saw many things out there, but I'm going to tell you about apiculture and sericulture. Apiculture is the production of honey. Apiculture is the production of large amount of honey from honeybees. I came to know that there are 3 different types of honey. Number 1, honey. Number 2, bubble honey. Number 3, jamun honey. Do you know what is meant by sericulture? Sericulture is the production of silk from silkworm. I have learned that there are different types of silk insect in India, such as number 1, mulberry silk, 71%, iris silk, 20%, tussar silk, 8%, muga silk, 1%. These are the silkworm used for silk production in India. Do you know India is the second largest producer of silk in the world? As I told you, many wood and timber products were preserved there, as well as so many insects were also preserved there. Lastly, it would be very helpful for students if school provides many opportunities like this. Thank you everyone.
Good morning, everyone. On 30 August, we 28 students went to Regional Science Center and FRI. And I feel fortunate that I got the opportunity to be part of it. For that, firstly, I want to thank Sambota Tibetan School Head Office for giving us the opportunity. And next, I want to thank our school principal, Kensiri Namgyal, who delightfully supported and gave permission to go. After that, I want to thank Math and Science committee members for bringing this beautiful kind of idea to enhance the student curiosity and interest in science and math subject. And especially, I want to thank to Regional Tibetan Women Association Clementown for letting us stay in hall or there. Also, we want to thank Jyotse Sangla for arranging all food and accommodation. I got to know a lot about life circle of mode, AI tools, technology, 3D, and lot more. And the most unbelievable thing is that we went to FRI where the student of the year 1 was shoot. We took lot of pictures out there. Our altitude was 8 out of 10 because I could sense emptiness without my classmate. I did miss them, even our relation is like Tom and Jerry. And lastly, I just want to tell you that be curious and explore different people with different cultures in different places. Thank you.